welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a food giveaway. It's called Giving Hands. It's my Nana's organization. So let's get started with the video.
Let me take that. Right here. Water. Unless you sell it over, why you buy that?
Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Bye!